real nice and quiet.
It's really quiet. You can't even hear the engine running.
Noise from the cab. It is very good. I saw no reason whatsoever to wear my earmuffs in that cab. They are not required.
Diese Maschine ist sehr geräuscharm und vibrationsarm und im Fahrerhaus fühlt man sich wohl.
I have to say it's one of the quietest machines I've operated.
Comme la chargeuse a moins brillante, je suis moins fatigué en fin de journée.
There are times inside the cab that I have to look at the gauges to make sure it's running. It's because it's so quiet. It is very, very quiet.